Vijay Bhambani is here with us then to give us a sense of what you can expect from the markets in today's session. Vijay, hi, morning. Let's start off with the critical range for the Nifty and the benchmarks. What do you think we're going to be doing there today?
Where the markets are concerned, I've been talking about volatility spiking higher since the last 2-3 days, and that's precisely what we saw yesterday in the last hour of trading, where the Nifty was pulled up to the pleasant surprise of the bulls. And I think that rally might just extend over to Friday. The only cautionary aspect being that it's a weekend session, and any initial bullishness might just get tapered off by a little bit of routine profit taking, especially towards the fag end of the session. The bullish pivot for the Nifty for the day will be at 5,140 levels. As long as the bulls manage to defend these levels, I think the possibility of 5,220 should not be ruled out, where profit taking may be encountered intraday basis. On the flip side, should there be a sustained trade below 5,120 mark, I think the Nifty might just go to 5,100 levels on an intraday basis, where short covering might just stem the decline.
Vijay, besides your view on the Nifty, would also like to know your stock-specific ideas that you would recommend.
Where individual stock trades are concerned, I would recommend buying Reliance Infra for intraday basis in the spot segment at the 532 mark. I would hold these long positions at with a stop loss at 528, and I would expect to book profits at 540 or end of the session, whichever comes first. The second one would be a short on TCS, because the CNX IT has been a rank underperformer in the markets over the last 3 trading sessions. Even though the Nifty is showing signs of strength, the CNX IT has been registering a D-trend or a negative close. So I would short TCS at 1230 levels in the spot segment. I would hold these shorts with a stop loss at 1240 mark. I would expect to book profits at 1212 levels or end of the session, whichever comes first.
Right, and on the future side, what trade have you spotted there?
In the F&O space, we saw Petronet LNG flare up yesterday with improved volumes, and therefore I would initiate a buy on the June futures in Petronet LNG at slightly lower levels of 135 levels. I would hold these long positions with a stop loss at 133, and I would expect to book profits at 138 or 139 or end of the session, whichever comes first.